Welcome back, my dear friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. It's a real pleasure that you would join me across time and space. And no matter what you're feeling in this moment, I want you to know that it's all gonna work out. Everything's gonna be more than okay. We're gonna take some deep breaths and see if we can make some of the pain go away. Saying goodbye to anxieties, insecurities, frustrations, worries, loneliness, depression, and saying hello to more love for ourselves, more love for other people, more patience, compassion, playfulness. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a posture where you can be aware, or rather that's lying down, or extending your spine so that you can be even more upright. Simply becoming aware of how you're sat. You can gently close your eyes, tuning deeper into your inner world, witnessing and welcoming how you feel. Not pushing anything away, but embracing unpleasant sensations, tensions, thoughts, emotions. Embracing it all like old friends. Listening with your full body, breathing with your full body, dropping the shoulders, relaxing the belly, relaxing your hands and feet. Breathing in through the nose, exhaling out the mouth. Breathing in, feeling your belly and chest rise. And exhale, pushing the belly outwards. Dropping the shoulders. Looking in. Breathing in grounded masculine energy. And exhaling, letting go of any insecurities. Breathing in beautiful feminine energy. And exhale, letting go of fears, worries. Breathing in love for yourself. Exhaling, letting go of anger. Breathing in love for your masculine. Exhaling love for your feminine. Breathing in a feeling of balance. Exhale, feeling yourself grounded, balanced, present. Breathing in slower and softer. And exhaling even slower, even softer. With closed eyes, witnessing and welcoming the movement of the mind. Enjoying the movement of the mind. Enjoying all that's inside you, even the unpleasant aspects. Knowing that you're beyond these unpleasant thoughts, emotions, sensations, which come and go. Returning to trust. Returning back into love. Accepting yourself as you are. Taking a deep breath in. Hold. And exhale, let go. Taking a deep breath in. Hold. And exhale, let go. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. And letting go of thoughts, returning back into your posture, aware of how you're sat, aware of your surroundings, aware of your awareness itself. Taking a deep breath in, Exhale. Breathing in and breathing out. Inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, exhale, breathing in and breathing out. The color for today is aqua. The number is 42, and the animal is a blowfish. And one more deep breath for now. And exhale. I thank you for joining me across time and space, sending you a big hug, wishing you an abundance of love on your path. Remember to not have despair. When challenges come, recognize the challenges is not being against you, but in your support, for your benefit. I truly believe this, that any circumstance that we face, whether it be pleasant or unpleasant, is supporting our growth, supporting our progress on our path. And it's important to trust in that. That gives us a strength, that gives us a courage to continue on, knowing that even though it may be difficult, there's something beautiful on the other side. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.